Good morning, guys. Now the weather here in Utah has once again put an hindrance on any sort of outdoor activity. So I thought today would be a perfect day to try once again to smoke some chicken legs in the Masterbuilt smoker. Now I have tried on 2 other occasions and so far I have not been impressed with the results. Now I think the reason why is I'm probably overcomplicating the recipe. So today we are going to do a very basic, easy recipe. Alright, so the first step that I already completed was I mixed up a really simple brine, and these chicken legs have been soaking for right around 6 hours at this point. Now the brine is really simple. It's 4 cups water, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1/4 cup salt. And you want to make enough brine so that it covers the chicken legs fully. So you can see there. Now this is a step that I did not do the last couple of times I tried to smoke some chicken legs. But what I've learned is this brine solution will help the meat to not dry out during the smoking process. Plus, the brown sugar and salt should add some additional flavor. Alright, so the next step is I want to remove the chicken legs from the brine solution. Oh, come on. And we're going to set them on this, this grill here. And we're going to let them dry out before we put our rub on the outside. And I also did not remove the skins this time because the last couple times I did, so we're going to try it with the skin on. Alright, so I went ahead and got the smoker set up. Now the temp that I set it on was 275, and I think the mistake that I made last time was I actually cooked them on lower heat for a longer period of time, and everything I read online is 275, some even say 285, so we're going to try that. And I went ahead and set the time for 4 hours, and this will give the smoker time to warm up and get ready for our chicken legs. Now I have really simplified this recipe, and I went out and I bought chicken rub seasoning from the store. Now the main ingredient I wanted to make sure that was in the rub was brown sugar, because that seems to be the ticket with poultry. Now this particular rub has sea salt, brown sugar, it has garlic, paprika, it's got onion and some other spices and some red pepper. So let's go ahead and get these spiced up and ready for the smoker. So our smoker has reached 275 degrees. We have our chicken ready to go, and we have our meat probe in the thickest part of the meat without touching the bone. Now we want to cook these chicken legs to 165 degrees or higher. Now as mentioned earlier, I'm going to use apple chips this time, because they supposedly have more of a sweet and mild smoky flavor. Now the last couple times I tried to cook the chicken legs, I used hickory and mesquite, and it seemed to have a really overpowering smoky flavor. So we're going to give these a try today, and let's see if that makes the difference. Alright guys, so I just removed the chicken legs from the Masterbuilt smoker. Now these cooked for right around 1 hour and 40 minutes to an internal temperature of 170 degrees. Now as you can see, they have this gorgeous light brown color, and they actually smell amazing. So let's go ahead and give them a try. Alright, let's see how we did. Oh, look how juicy. That brine did an awesome job. Yeah. Some of that skin with that smoky flavor on it. Alright guys, I've already devoured 2 legs, and I think my third attempt at cooking chicken legs on the Masterbuilt smoker was a success. Now, I believe a lot of it has to do with the brine solution, because these are just full of juice and they didn't dry out at all, even cooking them up to 170 degrees internal temperature. And I also think the other factor is using the apple wood. It just gave it that nice mild smoke flavor, and the smoky flavor wasn't overpowering at all. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. I hope the next video we can go outdoors and as soon as the weather cooperates. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Is that really good?
Yeah. Very impressed.
Awesome. It's got less smoky flavor this time, huh?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
Way better.